Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with something special. This is the Kirby Lambert Raine. It's a full custom knife. I basically picked the materials and Kirby Lambert just made it. And he did his magic like he is a wizard. Look at this. I mean, this is like something special. So this is going to be a quick review. Make sure you check out the full-length review because this is a special piece. Carbo quartz scale, zirconium bolsters, dragon skin Damascus blade, 8-inch overall length with a 4.5-inch handle. Really insane piece. I mean, guys. These are just my fingerprints, by the way. This is polished zirconium. It's just a special piece. I mean, listen to the sound. I'm speechless. Listen to this. It's fantastic. It's not super light. This is going to be 6.5 ounces in the pocket. Has a fantastic fit and finish. Zero hot spots. Look at the zirconium pocket clip. Super nicely designed. Beautiful. The grip is phenomenal. I mean, look at this. Like it's made like to fit in my hand. It's perfect. Runs on bearings. Absolutely fast. Super smooth action. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.